I might just cut this thing short today, y'all, because the paint is barely drying. Low-key, I'm freezing my ass off. I'm just go lazy today because I have my day off tomorrow too. Okay, it's actually dry now. But dude, it's freaking cold, you know. It's California, my man, right? And okay, I get it, it's winter and shit, but it's like daytime we don't go above like 60 Fahrenheit, which on the sun, I'm not gonna lie, on the sun it's nice, but when you're in the shade, you know, when you're not on the sun, you are in the shade, bro, it's cold. It's cold. It feels colder. So I'm just be lazy today and go and play video games and hope that it's gonna be warmer tomorrow, because man, I'm freezing my ass off. Like, I'm shaking out. Actually, I have two shirts on. I have two t-shirts because I didn't want to put on a coat. I don't really have a working coat. You don't really need working coats, but man, probably I'm gonna start painting it soon. You know, it's pretty good for its age. You know, it's 20 years old. It's pretty good shape. I'm just gonna get some paint.
Oh my god.
Which has to be on the camera. What's up, Walty? With it in the garage. Walty, you boot. I'm showing your boot to the camera. It's not an adult channel, Walty. 13 Celsius, same thing as yesterday, and it's a bit breezy. But let me tell you two things, you know, because I'm from Hungary, right? And people tell me like, oh, like it's supposed to be handle the cold, right? You have 4 seasons there, you have winter there. Of course you do. Like, hey, like that's not the thing. I want to show you guys. I have a t-shirt on. I have a longer t-shirt on. It's like the half sleeve thing, so it's not a full sleeve. Okay, I have another sweater on, and I have another sweater on, and now I'm like not that cold, so probably I'm gonna start working. Yeah, dude, I've been just fucking delaying on it. I want my hot weather back. I don't like this shit. What I saw, my stupid fender is already rusting again, so it's a piece of shit. Because what I feel sometimes if I'm driving fast, I hear this fender like kind of probably like flapping like this. Anybody in the comments, how do these things call, dude? I tried to find it like any hood ornaments and shit like that, but nothing popped up. So, you know, if I go to the junkyard, most of them are brittle and even worse than this one. So, hey, man, bit. That was the second time I took it apart. That's when I got the coilovers. Or before the coilovers or so. But I remember I did this in the neighbor's garage, dude. Wow. So let's try to fix these two. This one I'm gonna take off and try to bend out. This one, gonna bend it forward. At this point, do I qualify for Rust Bucket? this thing I lined up pretty good, I think. You know, I tapped it back. Maybe I have to tap back a bit on this. Got a bit too far, but it's pretty good. So that lines up still well. I just have to start putting back the panels, and then I'll wait. I gotta rust proof it first, but after rust proofing it, I'm gonna pull back the panels, and I should be pretty close. Just have to tighten up some stuff. But dude, this cold is like, it's really ass. It's man, cold kicks butt. Started prepping more and more. So yeah, last time I hammered this out. You're gonna see it in the previous cuts. This was pretty beat up. You know, it's only for the washer fluid, so I'm not too concerned about it. I think it looks pretty good. It's like 90 degree, so that's pretty cool, you know. Managed to get this thing kind of back in shape. Right now I started like spray painting this thing. You know, I got it with some rust fix and the mud. I painted it right now, not the whole thing, but where I like, you know, I got down to the bare metal. I sprayed it on it. Like, it's getting there, but you know, soon I'm gonna be back to school, so that's gonna be interesting. So I'm gonna have less time to work on the car. What else? I mean, just posting some videos right now on the channel. Okay, so let me ask you guys something. If you drive by a garage, you know, randomly just in the street, well, you're a neighbor or so, and you see this fool vacuuming his car like this, do you think that's normal? Lost clip? No problem. Right now I just tried to fix it up a little bit, rust spray it so it's not gonna rust like crazy. I know everybody needs a white coat, okay. Kinda. All these things at the same time, that's perfect. So that way all the rust and shit is gonna fall down there. It's a UPS truck, I need a FedEx one. Does any of you guys know how these called? These are the little things that sit underneath the head. Can't fix anything, dude. Look, I fixed my fender because it's been rubbing and it rubbed out. I fixed it with tape, dude. But it seems like it's been coming apart more. But you know, I had a classmate, this guy had a probably has the BMW. It's a 7 Series, right? It's like a 2001 or like 99 or something like that, 7 Series. And my guy bought OEM fender liners from BMW. Dude, like, fuck that. Buy some mods on it, or, you know, like brakes, tires, suspension, engine mods. You can always buy something that's more useful, you know, a filter or spark plugs, or just change the oil or something like that, bro. Not fender liners. Don't buy fender liner crap. Put some tape there or just get rid of them. You don't need them, dude. piece of cake, huh? Where the fun begins. What up, y'all? So, I worked 8 days in a row, and it was hectic, so I didn't do much on the cars. I'm about to get working. Probably I'll just continue on my friend's Beamer, because not much left. Hey yo, what up y'all? So back already after work, after school. So finally we're back to school, which is pretty cool. And then, you know, I got the Beamer done, so I'm really happy. My GoPro is pretty low. I'm gonna try to get you guys more exciting stuff down the line with the videos. I have a lot of videos low-key to edit, and I've started making beats like for fun, just that. I have fun making them, and I was lagging on videos a bit, plus I was just like too tired, you know, putting these hours in. I still gotta get the light off from up there and put the other one up so we would have some light in the garage, because you know, right now it's just the garage opener light that it opened it. So right now the Maxima is pretty good. Now the only things I have to do is just tighten down the lamp bolts, install back the side marker right, and then pretty much I just have the bottom pieces to bolt back on, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, alright you guys, I talk to you guys later. Alright, so what up guys, I don't really record it because I've been just busy and tried to get it running. It's still, the Maxima is still a bit rough, but I don't know if it's because I have to drive it and set everything. because I changed the knock sensor and so on.